Okay, we're going to start with 2 pieces of lace ribbon, a really pretty double-sided lace. It's measuring 2 inches across, or 5 centimeters, and 24 inches in length, or 61 centimeters. We're going to take our piece of embroidery thread and needle, make sure you knot the end, and we're going to sew all the way across the piece of lace, and we're going to be doing the exact same thing to both ribbons. So I'm just going to show you the first one being done just so you can see how it is, and I'm fast forwarding because there's a lot of lace here. And once you get to the end, you're going to pull it all the way through so that it gathers nice and tightly, and grab both ends, and you're going to tie those 2 ends together and just make sure you knot it a good couple of times so it won't come apart, and then just snip that there. And you can either glue the ends or you can just let them fold over each other. So once you've got them both gathered up and tied off, we're going to glue them together. So just put a little glue on there and put them both together. And I've got a rhinestone embellishment that we're going to be gluing into the center of it. And then turn it over and get out a piece of stiffened felt, and you want a piece that's about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches, and just cut it into a circle, and it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. Just big enough to go across that back piece there, and just put some glue on it and stick that right to the center of the back, and this is what we're going to glue our backing onto. So the piece of stiffened felt that you have left, we're going to cut a little bit off of that, maybe about 1/2 inch or so, and make sure it's big enough to go across the middle of your alligator clip and have a little bit on each side. And then turn it over on the back part, and you're going to put glue over the whole back part of that and stick it to your other felt piece that you put on the back. And that's it. Then you have a really nice little easy lace flower. Thanks for joining the Hairbowmaster. Visit my website at thehairbowmaster.org, and I'll see you in the next video.